I don't want to be that kind of person, but for your sake and for my sake, I'm going to be that kind of person. It is the end of the year, okay? And I know a lot of us are going to have like a New Year's resolution next year, but the thing is, you can't achieve anything if you don't have goals. How are you going to achieve the goal if you didn't set one? You get what I'm trying to say? Now is the time for us to actually start preparing for our goals next year and actually start creating those goals. And in the case of language learners, is the time to actually start creating those language learning goals that we are going to tackle next year. I honestly think that one of the biggest things and one of the biggest mistakes we make as language learners, which I'm pretty sure I've made at some point in my language learning journey, is not having a clear goal and not having a clear plan. The thing about the plan is that you can't have one if you don't know what goals you're going to achieve. A few months back, I created this goal setting guide and I started using it to help me with my language learning goals to get me from B1 to B2. And what I did was like I created goals, I achieved them, then I just created more goals and I just achieved those. I'm going to share this with you so that you can actually use this to help you set your own goals. It is editable. So you can just edit as frequently as you want, create new goals as frequently as you would like. I believe that it's something that could be really helpful to you because it's something that really, really helped me. And all you have to do in order to access your copy is to just go to the link in my profile and download your copy. That's it. Easy peasy. I truly believe that we have the potential and the capabilities to achieve the things that we want to achieve. But the only way we're going to do that is if we actually start putting these things into action and start doing what we need to do to get to those goals. I believe in you, but you got to believe in yourself and you also have to put in the work. So just go ahead and do that.